Alright, Mike here from Broke Boys. Just want to do a quick bonus video on how to get stuck slide pins to be freed up again. So what we ended up doing is when you take your brake part, this is where it mounts to the spindle right here. So you'll leave those on. You just want to take these two bolts out, and your actual piston part of the caliper will come off. You can take that. You want to put this in a vise. I did put this in this vise here. And then I got these spinning, so I put a wrench on there. There's flat spots on here where you can put a wrench. So you want to get a wrench on here, and you just want to turn these things so you can start getting them moving. Then we put an impact gun on them and really got them moving. Then after that, we could put a screwdriver behind it on the back side here and a hammer, and these things just pop straight out. So if you ever have some stuck slide pins, definitely give this a try. Got a little hard on the boot, but that was just my own doing. So definitely give that a shot if you ever have stuck slide pins.